Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings and then scroll all the way down to System and then Reset Options. Here you want to select Erase All Data Factory Reset, which will present you with a list of data right over here, which will be removed by this process. Now, it importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. If you have anything of what I just listed, obviously that we want to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. I don't have anything here that I want to preserve, so I'm just going to select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you do need to confirm it. And then you can select Erase All Data a second time, which will now begin factory resetting your phone. Now this process will take about 2 minutes tops to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.